In this tutorial, we'll explore how to manage Python projects efficiently using Poetry. You'll learn how to create and manage projects, declare dependencies, and optimize your project structure. As Python developers, we often face challenges in managing dependencies, structuring projects, and optimizing performance. Traditional methods can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Poetry is a powerful tool that simplifies Python project management. It allows you to declare dependencies, manage virtual environments, and optimize your project structure with ease. Let's demonstrate how to create a new project and add dependencies using Poetry. We'll use the Poetry new command to create a new project and Poetry add to declare dependencies. When using Poetry, it's essential to follow best practices such as declaring dependencies explicitly, using virtual environments, and keeping your project structure organized. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of Python project management using Poetry. By following these steps and best practices, you'll be able to efficiently manage your Python projects and improve your overall development workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Python tutorials and tips.